Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a lovely gift set idea to share with you, and it only needs one piece of 12 by 12 paper, and you can make this really lovely stationery gift set. And I think it's a great little perfect gift to give to a crafty friend, or if you know someone that's into planning. It's also a great teacher's gift. Also for a Christmas gift as well. So it's just a perfect little idea, and I've also listed these in my shop as well, and it will be listed with this lovely vellum pocket that I've made, as well as some organza ribbon that I've wrapped around it as well, just to decorate it and make it look really pretty. And it all will also come with a little bonus little pack as well to come with the kit, which I'll show you shortly. But inside is the 4-piece gift set, and this is how it looks like. It's just so adorable. It's just a perfect little way to just to gift a little something to somebody. And I've also wrapped the set with some vellum strip of paper as well, just to keep it together. It just comes off like that, so it's like a belly band. And this is the little set, so I'll show you this one first. This is the folder, which is like a traveler's note folder. It has 2 pockets here, and then you can add some pages to the folder, and you can stitch the centerpiece to bind the pages together, or just leave it as a folder. You could add an elastic band around the middle and slide your booklets inside. So that's just another little cute folder idea. And then on this part here is like a library pocket, which is a lovely size. It has a nice lovely opening inside as well, and it's just a great little pocket to add some pieces inside the pocket. And then I've also made a coordinating mini pocket album as well, that fits perfectly in here, and this little album also fits perfectly in this little folder as well. So it's just worked out really well when I made the measurements. So this is the cover, and then you open it up, and there is a nice white pocket here on the back, and then I've got a little tag to coordinate with the set, and that just fits in there nicely like that. Then this piece, or this page, opens up, and there is a little tuck pocket here which just fits in there. And then that's the pocket that I shared with you. So it's just a cute little addition to the set. So I'm going to show you how to make this, but just before I show you, the listing that I've got in my shop will also come with a little bonus pack, which is this piece here. It's just a little addition for you, and I'll just show you what you get with that. So I've got some crochet string, and then there is a little mini envelope. I made a little vellum pocket as well, so you can add another little spot for goodies, and another little library pocket with a window here as well. And so to get these little pieces, and this piece here, which is the little circle piece that was punched out from the middle here, you get this as well. And this is a great little way you can add a little tag, punch a little hole, and then you can make a coordinating tag to go with the library pocket. So these are the pieces that will come with this set. So I will have 4 of these sets available in this lovely shabby chic print, and I also have another different print as well that will be listed, and I'm going to use that print in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and make this lovely little set. So you'll need a 12 by 12 piece of paper. Double-sided would be preferable if you have, and also you want to have your paper with no directional with your print. So you want your print to have no direction, because we have to make a few cuts to make the little set. All right, so I'm going to just get my paper trimmer. So we're going to grab your 12 by 12 paper, and we are going to, so I've got it in a really tight spot here to try and get the paper through the trimmer. Okay, so what we're going to do first, you're going to line your paper on the 8-inch mark. See if I can get all this in through. Okay, so on the 8-inch mark, we're going to now cut your paper, And then you're going to have this piece at 4 inches by 12 inches. We're going to put that piece to the side. And then this piece here, we're going to rotate this and turn this around now. And we're going to line that on the 8-inch side as well. So we'll do that. And then we'll cut that. So now you'll have this piece at 8 inches by 8 inches. Then you'll have that other piece. We're going to bring this piece over and we're going to turn this around along the long side, and we're going to line this edge on the 6-inch side. And we're going to cut that. So now you'll have your paper at 4 inches by 6 inches, and then you'll have this little piece here that's at 2 inches by 4 inches. So you have 4 pieces all together. And this is the print that I'll have listed in my shop. That will be another set. So I'll have 4 of these sets available as well. So just sort of show this lovely print. And it's also a print by Kaisercraft, as well as this one as well. So now you have your 4 pieces. We're going to need your scoreboard. So I'm just going to bring my scoreboard over. What we might do first, we'll grab that little piece, which was this one here. We'll make the tag first. And to do the tag, this is pretty simple. You can just angle cut your corners, or you can corner around it or leave it as is. I'm just going to angle cut it like that and bring this piece over to this side and use that as a template so we can get the same angles cut the same. So I'm just going to cut that. So there you have your tag, and then you can just punch a little hole here if you wanted to and create a tag. So that part's done. And we'll grab this next piece that was cut at 4 inches by 6 inches. Just put that to the side. We'll make the library pocket. I think I've cut my paper a bit crooked because I had my trimmer in a funny angle. So I'm just going to work with what I have for this one. So we're going to line it on the 4-inch side. So we'll make this library pocket. So on the 4-inch side, you want to score it at 3/8 of an inch on going in on both these sides. So it will be 3/8 of an inch. And then also 3/8 of an inch on the other side, which is at the mark at 3 and 5/8. And then you're going to turn this around on the 6-inch side, and we're going to score it at 1.5 inches. So that's for that part. And then what we're going to do here, we're going to angle cut along these 2 corners, these 2 sides. So I'm just going to cut it like that, where that little score line is, and then we're going to take this piece out. And then we're going to do the same on this side. And you can use your corner rounder punch to corner around these top corners if you like to do that. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then we're going to fold these sides in. And then use your bone folder to really press down on the score lines. And then we're going to fold this one up. And then we're going to wrap these sides behind. Just like that. So now you'll have your library pocket just about complete. And we're just going to turn this around. We're just going to add some glue to the back here to secure the pocket in place. So just do that, and then we'll do that. So now you've created your library pocket like this one. So now we've done that part for that. And what we'll do next, we'll make the folder, the double pocket folder. So on this one, on the 8-inch mark, we are going to score at 1/2 inch on both ends of these 2 sides. So 1/2 inch, and then 1/2 inch on this side as well. So that'll be 7.5 inches. And then I forgot one more mark. We're going to score here at 4 inches as well. Then we'll turn this around on the other side and we're going to score at 2 inches. So you'll have these score lines. With this part here, with this score line here, we are going to angle cut just a little bit, just above that score line. It's pretty hard for me to see. And then we're going to just trim up here along that score line and remove that piece. And then we're going to do the same on this side here. Just, I'm going to go around this way, just cut that, and then cutting this straight up. It's just a bit hard for me to see the score lines. So that's the score lines we have there. And we are going to now fold this in half in that 4-inch score line. We will make a little angle cut along here up to that score line. Just a little angle cut. Just like that. We'll open this up and this is how it should look now. And again, we'll corner around these 4 corners if you would like to do that. And down the bottom here. And this one. So I'll turn it back around. So that is the next part. And now we're going to fold these 2 sides in. And we'll bring these bottom pieces up. And you'll see now it looks like a double pocket folder already. So that is how that should look like. And now we'll just open these out and we'll just adhere these bottom pockets over. But really give a good press on those fold lines. I just didn't want to do it in this video because it's a bit boring watching me press down with the bone folder. So I just use my fingers. So once that's all set, you've got yourself your folder. Okay. So that's that part done. So now we've done these 3 pieces. And now we'll make the mini pocket album. So I'm going to try and see if I can get this all in frame for you. So with this part on the 12-inch side, we're going to score at 2.5 inches, 5.5 inches, 8.25 of an inch, and 10.75 of an inch. So there's 4 score lines. I'll just move this now. Okay. So what we're going to do here on that second score line, we scored at 5.5 inches, we are going to fold this over this way. So I forgot to mention, if your paper is double-sided and you want your cover, you want your which part you want your cover, you want that facing down when you score, when you make your score line. I forgot to say that. Right, so we've done that fold, and now with this fold line here, we are going to fold this over. And then we've got this fold line here. We're going to now bring these 2 over this way. So that's how that should look. And then you'll have one more score line here. We're going to bring this panel over to the front. So now you'll have it all folded over this way. So we'll open that up. And then you'll open this up and you'll have that piece there. And again, what we're going to do here, if you want to do that, we're going to just do that. That will be for your side pocket. And then up here, which is your 3rd panel, I'm just going to also do just going to punch that just so it's nice to see the pattern. So we'll just put this together now. So I'm going to bring this back over and over this way. We're going to apply glue along the bottom here. That will close off that part for the back pocket. So that part's done, and then I'm just going to open this up and put glue along the top there and along the bottom. And just seal that off. And that completes your little pocket mini booklet, and your whole 4-piece set is all pretty much complete. So I'll just open this up, and then you can open this up, and then you have your top part there for your tag or whatever you like, and then this part here is your side pocket, and then that's your opening. I mean, you can glue this side if you wanted to keep that nice and secure, so you have a pocket nice and sealed if you wanted to do that, but you can also do it this way. You can add a little page tab here in the front and then use that to add some string to keep this closed, add a belly band, add some envelopes or whatever you like. So that is the 4-piece set, little gift set. And this one here, that's also going to be listed, will come with this little pack as well, which is similar to the other pack that I showed you for this print. Similar, just different papers. So you'll get these pieces. It's a little envelope, that's a little circle piece, and this is the little vellum pocket, and this is the library pocket with the window with the little coordinating little circle piece. So that will come with this, and this will also be packaged in one of these vellum pockets, but with a different, it'll come with a more of a pinky color organza ribbon instead of this color. But you'll be able to see it listed in my shop, so I just thought I would mention that as well if you're interested to buying my piece. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make your own little gift sets for your friends, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.